In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make videos look like 4K HDR in CapCut PC. We're going to use a simple combination of sharpening and color adjustment to give your footage a cleaner, crisper, more premium look. This works especially well if your video feels a little soft, flat, or lacking that polished high-definition finish. To begin, go to the top left menu bar and click on the Effects tab. Once you're there, look over to the left sidebar under Video Effects and open the Lens folder. Now scroll through the effect grid until you find the one called Smart Sharpen. When you see it, drag that effect directly down onto your timeline and place it as a new layer above your footage. Adding it on its own layer makes it easier to control and adjust without affecting the placement of your original clip. Next, click on the purple effect bar in the timeline so it's selected, then move to the top right Properties panel and look under Special Effects. This is where you'll fine-tune the sharpening. Set the sharpen slider to 50 and the clarity slider to 30. These settings help bring out edges and details so things like text, lines, and fine elements appear much more defined. After that, take the filter and blur sliders and lower both of them all the way to 0. This is important because it keeps the image clean and prevents any softening or unwanted stylized filtering from interfering with that sharp, high-resolution look. Once the sharpening effect is in place, click on your main video clip in the timeline. Then go back to the top right Properties panel, choose Adjustment, and open the Basic tab. Scroll down until you reach the color sliders. Here, enter these exact settings. Set contrast to 10, increase saturation to 15, raise illumination to 8, and set sharpen to 15. Contrast helps give the image more depth. Saturation makes the colors feel richer and more vivid. Illumination lifts the midtones so the picture feels brighter without becoming washed out. And that extra sharpen adds one more layer of crispness. With just these adjustments, your footage should immediately look more vibrant, more detailed, and closer to that 4K HDR style people associate with high-end content. It's a quick workflow, it's easy to repeat, and it can make a big difference in how professional your final video feels. High-definition upscaling and HDR-style color tuning completed in just a few minutes. You're all set. Done.